So the questions will be from the sessions taken on these 3 days. Okay, just for an understanding, kindly do not Google it and find out the solutions. All right, I hope you will not do it. You are all faculties. What we expect from the students is the same we expect from you. It is not to say that who's best or who's not best, just to have an evaluation process of understanding how much we know the concepts. Here we go. I am posting it onto the chat. If anybody would like to have a live quiz also, I am ready. But I don't know how many of you would be responding.
Recording in progress.
That's what I'm not initiated the live quiz. Hope you've got the links. The questions. Given your email ID, your name, your department, designation, organization, mobile number, and there are 15 questions given. Take time. 125 we have posted. 35 to 40 by 140 we will close up the quiz. All right. Hope you have got it. Post which I'll give the presentation about CIRF and what we do. Thank you, Anita Mama Ceres. I wish everybody to start with the evaluation process. It's just 15 questions. There are 2 places. Yeah, I will remove it from one place. I'm not able to hear properly, ma'am.
Ma'am, on ID, what we will have, like registration ID of this FDP or email ID in both sections?
Email ID only. Just type in your email ID.
Because there is one section for email and one for email ID.
No, I've changed it now. That's a mistake. I changed it now.
Okay.
So fast, one person completed. And it will be self-evaluated.
Recording stopped.
Take time. Registration ID, only your email. It's only a quiz. Yeah, the general feedback will be received by St. Joseph's. This is a simple evaluation process of what we have done. Finished. So soon, I hope the questions were easy. Uh-huh. Once you complete, if there is time, we will play a live quiz also. But only I was thinking how many of you will be responding. That's what I had just a kind. Yes, I can see people completing it and different scores. I hope you can see your scores, right? You are able to see your scores. Yeah. And you are able to see your scores, whatever you've got. I'm not going to share it. If you could view your scores, you can just say received scores on the chat, please. Okay, after the profile of company, when if you have got time, we'll play a live quiz too. I don't know. Yeah, you're sharing your scores too. Thank you so much. They will be giving scores visible. Thank you, Sandhya ma'am. I don't want you to share your scores. Thank you, Saranya ma'am. Because some of them may feel for it, right? This is session. After the company's profile, if we get time, then let's play a live quiz too. Okay, thank you. I will know how many of you have responded back. Received 15 responses. We've got 5 more minutes to go. I wish everybody to take up the quiz. We are not going to ask you to reveal your scores, but it's a self-evaluation process. It's a self-evaluation process. After which I will share the company profile, what we do at CIRF, and then post which, if we have time, okay, 63 of you are here. Quickly, I want everybody to take up your quiz. No disclosing of marks to anybody. Please do take it up. We still have few more minutes. I want everybody to try taking up the quiz. Thank you, Anita ma'am, for the feedback. I try to attend your sessions in between our classes and departmental work, sometimes in mobile, laptops, and motivated me towards give a simplified view of data science. Thank you so much, Anita ma'am. I'm waiting for others to complete. I wish everybody to complete. Just try it out. No, I'm not going to ask you. I will also not disclose your marks. But just try your kind of evaluation. That is what I'm expecting. I received only I've received 28 responses. I'll give you for a few more minutes so that everybody completes. Thirty-seven of you have responded out of 71. I'll again send the link of the quiz. It's more than quiz, you can define it as self-evaluation. All right. All right. I hope everybody out of 70, out of 70, I have received from. Let's refresh it. 44. 44. All right. Okay. So before we have been seeing. Make me as a co-host to share screen, please. Coordinator. Can you make me a co-host to share screen? Can you please allow me to share screen? Which link, ma'am? Once the Google, sorry, don't use, how to delete it. Don't use this link. I will tell you when to use that link. Don't click the Menti link. Please do not click the Menti link. I'll give you time. If there is time, we'll play. I need to get a response from the coordinator. Menti link will not open now. Okay. Let me share my screen.
share my screen, ma'am.
Now I can. Now
Okay.
So, a brief profile about CIRF. When you see CIRF, it stands for Computational Intelligence Research Foundation. All right, and it is Section 8 company under Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. Okay, it's a Section 8 company. We have registered Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. Basically, there are four pillars that we focus on. The first is research, the development, and education and training. Okay, education and training. These are the four pillars predominantly we have at CIRF. And when you see the vision, our vision of our company is to contribute to nation building. Okay, as a nation, we need to build through innovative mentorings, right, and research-driven transformation. Like research and innovation goes hand on hand. You cannot say research is here and research is not there, because research and innovation goes hand on hand. Okay, it goes hand on hand. So as a nation, we need to build it up. So here, that is why here we are to help organizations and for individual students and also faculties, right? So as a nation, to build some products, if you have got some ideas for products also, you can bring it out so that we'll be able to figure it out and find how things to be done, right? So, and making your ideation to products, right? And we are a 12-year certified and NGO DARPAN certified company. I already said it's a Section 8. We have registered every certificates of the courses that you complete at CIRF. You will be getting it from CI. You'll be getting it under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, because our company is registered under which. Okay, I'm Dr. Doreen Robin. You know me. You have given me an introduction. And I was for a decade, I was into engineering colleges being professor and HOD. Then I thought there is a big need gap analysis, what we teach in the college. And again, when the students go, they go on for a training. So that's one objective. We started this. And basically, I'm a data scientist, keynote speaker, and I've trained more than 5,000 plus people, like 40 hours course. We have 40 hours course for entire data science into 4 modules, into 4 levels, from level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. And 30 plus publications we have. And myself and my husband, we are goodwill ambassadors for Plastic Free Tamil Nadu, Chennai. So by this note here, Mentimeter I have not started. Wait. All right. So here I would like to share it with you. Kindly avoid the use of single-use plastics. Okay, single-use plastics, kindly avoid to the maximum, because our nation, if this amount of plastic is going to be keep on increasing, then it will be very, very difficult for our generations, right? And please avoid, okay, not 100%, at least single usage plastic, kindly avoid. How many of you will try to avoid single use plastics? Yes, okay, to the maximum possibility, right? And another director is my husband, Dr. C.R.N.A. Robin. He is working as a professor and dean innovation at Sri Sai Ram Engineering College, right? And he's a research supervisor at an university. And we are a research driven organization. So basically, yeah, you could have seen different organizations, but CIRF is totally unique on research. Okay, providing learning and development. It's not only we do the research, we train you for doing the research. That is how our company is unique in comparison to any other companies. And research outsourcing services to students, researchers, and institutions. Okay. All right. And as students, we train them on latest technology. Like last month, we completed 134 students on 1 month internship online, and the certificates have been given. And the next batch on data analysis is going on. It will be completed in August 16th. All right. The next batch on image processing, that's what I told you, right? 2 months, 40 hours of course, right? 40 hours of course. Outside, if you go, the cost is so huge, and sometimes you get recorded session, but here we have a live session, hands-on session, like how we teach and give time for people to practice. If they get errors, they share the screen, and it starts from coming Monday, and the course fee is 6,000. I said, right? Anybody interested, kindly do approach. It could be useful for students, for faculties, and we are going to take the entire image processing, right? Image processing. Right. I wish the faculties or students or corporates, anybody could join. Yes, participants, please wait. I have not started up the Menti. I will give you time to start up the Mentimeter. Now we are into the presentation. By mistake, I posted it. Okay, by mistake, I posted it. All right. And for researchers, what we do, we give one-to-one guidance, right? So we have, like, currently we have 9 researchers and 7 people have completed research. We started this company in the year 2017. All right, and we take them from ideation to publication. We train, and the researchers will develop products on their own, right? We help them in error and debugging it, right? So that is how our company is different from others. And for institution, we have partnership with institution, where, like, as a semester we go and train them maybe weekly once, like 1 or 2 hours a day in a week, and for the entire semester on a technology. And every course that we conduct right from CIRF, we make the students to develop any projects on their own. All right. So if your college wants to get any or anything on latest technology, we are there to help you. Okay, we are there to help you. So till now we have trained 5,000 plus students. Okay, as a demand, right? They say in the market we help people to students to upskill to relevant technologies. How many of you had Python in your course when you studied your BE or ME? Did we have data sciences course? Yes or no? Answer on chat, please. When you were a student, whether you had data science as a course in your syllabus? No. Yes, Chitra Devi ma'am says no. Saranya ma'am says no. Yes, but still, now you are the faculty and we need to do it, right? So that is how we need to, that is what we conduct the FTPs. And the FTPs are not only for certificates, but more importantly, how much knowledge you gain through it. Like, we also help students to upskill to, so that I keep learning every day something on new technology, on new codings, or how to implement it. Okay, we help in finding in demand technologies, because now, creating a dashboard. And I said in the morning session also, any student, do you have good on Django or on Drupal or on Laravel, please do share their profile to me. We have an immediate requirement for 1 semester live projects to be dealt, right? And at the end of the projects, they will be paid. It will not be paid every month, but it will be paid at the end of the project. Once they submit the product, at the edge of the project, the stipend will be given to the students, right? So here we have hands-on projects maybe for next semesters. If you have students to do it, please divert them to us. We provide both online and offline training. Okay, but from the zeroth review PPT, from the selection of projects to the papers, we'll be guiding it, but it will be done only by the students. Okay, it's not like we don't have anything ready-made here. Okay, there's something called education ethics, we don't move away from it. Okay, and for career guidance, and some students, they complete the course and they come and what to be done. So this is what I showed you in the morning. We provide training stats on data science and analytics, website development on HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and also with the other technologies like Drupal, Laravel, and also the Django. The digital education tools and techniques, especially for faculties. We have trained 7,000 plus faculties around the world. We have the different levels of courses on machine learning, deep learning, all right, cyber security and cyber forensics tools, and also on knowledge management tools like Goodreads and LaTeX. How do you write a paper? When you know how to have. Sometimes in September, after mid of September, we'll be having 2 days workshop online on LaTeX. Anybody interested? So that if you write a research journal, only if you change the header immediately from IEEE, you can get changed to ACM and also to Springer. Okay. I think this is most validated tool that we need to learn. And we have guided 50 plus research scholars between 2021 and 25. The global research and development outsourcing service market is expected to grow 7.8%. All right, the demand for qualified researchers is surging, and we are enabling research scholars to tap into this trend. So that is from teaching, we need to move into R&D. Always I tell faculties, by the end of 1 year, at least publish one good paper. You have a team of students, you have people like us to collaborate with you. All right, take the best of your thing. The project supports. If you have a projects, like in your and from ideation to publication, we provide end-to-end support. For paper publication, we train how to write papers and to test for recommended journals, and also for patent filing, we do help them. All right, and validation of patents. Okay, and the focus area of majorly in research, we work with big data analytics, maybe using Hadoop, machine learning, deep learning on different tools. Like you can come with a problem statement, and we'll be there to help you out to use what technology, what tool to get it to your solution to the problem, Hadoop framework, predictive modeling, right? And also we are expertise in optimization algorithm like artificial deep colony optimization or genetic algorithm, swarm, particle swarm optimization, or right on artificial neural networks or RNN or CNN, okay? And data mining and knowledge discovery. AI-based web application is going to be the next boom. Anybody, if you want to learn about it, get into us, and we as your college, and you represent your college, I represent CIRF, we as a team can build web-based applications, right? That involves a predictive analytics inside. If you're interested, come to us, and we are there. And data visualization, cloud computing, and continuous optimizations we do. We are working with so many institutions, like 200 plus institutions, as a training partner to some, as a research partner. Sometimes they come with their, and we work as consultancy for them to develop products for them, to find what is the technology to use and how to get the best out of it. And also we can provide center of excellence to your institution, right, as a technology partner too. Okay, for courses for institution, we have 40 hours course. I told you, right? We completed 20 hours course, and next we are starting the 40 hours course on image processing. But now we are not mostly into MATLAB because it is paid version. So everything what you do in MATLAB could be done in Python also. Setting up a Hadoop cluster, hybrid mobile app development. You develop one application, you get output for iOS, you get output for Windows Phone, you get output for Android phone, and also you get an output as a web application. So education technologies, this will be very, very useful for faculties, like descriptive, perspective, and predictive analytics. I told you, right? All these analytics and 8-hour seminar or webinar or hands-on session could be handled, right? Faculty development program, that is what we have been doing for the 3 days. Data analysis and visualization, like machine learning, predictive healthcare, and understanding IPRs, right? That also we provide on IPRs, and the image transformation techniques like image processing, high performance computing, and deep learning using Python. And artificial intelligence for cyber physical system in school education. And also we provide training on blockchain technologies, right? How do you use blockchain, and what are the tools that you need to write into the blockchain technologies to be used, right? And also different cyber forensics tools. So development for institutions, like if you want to develop a software, I told I have 2 live projects right now with me, and if you've got interns, you can send, or we could train interns for 4 months and then give them a 6-month project, right? From second years, you can send them to us. But for the training, they need to pay for the training fee. For the development, they will not be asked to pay. But at the end of the development, they will be paid from CIRF. Is it clear? During the training, we get a training fee. But during the development of their internship, they will be developing the projects. And at the end of almost on the completion stage of the product, they will be paid for it. And also we do G Suite setup for institutions. Like we have done it for 10 to 15 institutions, G Suite, the Google Suite setup. If there is a need of any in your institution, kindly let us know. We'll be able to help you out. and AI-based web development is going on. Knowledge management databases like using ontology and mobile app development also be developed for you. Okay, and this is what we are trying to develop. It's a tool to streamline the research activity. It is under development. Like if you click on cloud computing, you get the collections of cloud computing papers, big data papers. What is the primary goal? Whether you want to go on for pattern search or you want to publish a paper or whatever it is. So, and also we are planning to develop a research cluster. Okay. Maybe I'll be able to share. You can also contact me. Like monthly once, we give a free webinar through my YouTube channel, right, to multiple people, and you can share your knowledge, expertise. Right, if you would like to join into a research cluster, you could be into cloud computing, you could be into big data analytics, or any domain of yours, sharing of knowledge to the students. And we had like industrial talks last time, and we are preparing research clusters, right? Your research, once it is published, if you want to share it with people, please do contact us, and we will be scheduling a session with you, and we'll be most happy to have you on board. All right, these are different institutions that we have worked on with. And also because it's an NPO, we do social service, especially to the marginalized. 2 months once, right from December 2021, we distributed bed sheets for 50 people on road. So we travel around 2 to 3 hours. And also on December, February, we give foods to people on road. We go them, meet them one by one. After that, we had another on April, and the next we had it on June, and the next we'll be having it in the month of August. All right. So thank you so much. Anything you want to know, you can take a screenshot. This is my mail ID and my mobile number. You can contact me through WhatsApp or through, when I'm free, I'll be able to take up your calls, and you can make a note of it. All right. So this is what we do it at the CIRF. That's what I'd like to add it with you. If you have brochures for that, yes, you can send your request, ma'am. My mail ID is director@cirf.co.in, or you can also send me to doreenhm@gmail.com. The company's website I've already given to you. We can customize it like according some colleges, like we had SDNB college, the entire college students came. Okay, and my contact number. So we can customize it according to institutions, right? According to your institutions, how do you need it? Okay. Can we play a Menti quiz, or we need to give it to the organizers if you have time? I don't know. Let me hear from the organizers. I hope everybody have taken up the quiz. Yes, please. Some of you got 15 out of 15. Nice. So the quiz responses is 75 responses. 75 responses. And then multiple PPTs, and I've also shared the entire session on my YouTube channel. I shared it to you. This is my YouTube channel. I share the link. Even these sessions also, I always post it on to the channels. My YouTube channel. You just type it Doreen Robin, you'll be getting it. And the entire session is being streamed. You can use it for your further references. Can we play a Menti quiz? Do we have time? Organizers, can you let me know? Yes, okay. Let's have the quiz. It takes a long time of the Sharon. Yeah. See the session. It's a live session. Almost all the sessions I've streamed it like 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 1 hour. Like you can see to it. If you're interested or if you've got any doubts, and feel free to use it. Like day 1 session 2, day 2 session, and day 3 session. The morning session it will be 2 to 3 hours because the first session I collaborated. Afternoon session will be halfway. And the session has been streamed. All right. Okay, let's play the Menti quiz. Nice to see so many people today. Maybe it's the last session and the validatory session. You can just type in, give your name alone. Give your name and join, please. Yes, 9, 10 of you had come. Yeah, we will not end the session. We are going to have a group photo. So keep your settings so that you have a very good group photo. Is my shared with you? Like 20 of you have joined. What about others? 80 are there. Click the link, give your name and join. There is no registration, nothing as such. There is no code. Just click the link that I'm posting it on the link is not yet loaded. Just give, yeah, I have not started it. I'm sharing the screen. I'm waiting for the participants to join. 23 of you have joined. Don't leave it. Be on the Menti itself. Be on the Menti itself. 26 have come. We'll wait for
No,
one
that's
more.
not getting open, ma'am. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it is not being removed, and neither my name is name to be typed because numerical keyboard is coming.
Try it again, ma'am. Otherwise, type menti.com and give the code 43222748. If the link doesn't
Okay.
open, just open any browser in a mobile or whatever it is. That's fine. And then give www.menti.com and use the code 43222748. Yes. Out of 77, only 24 have come. Shall we start? Shall we start, please? Yes. Okay, here we go. Yeah, now only I'm starting it. So now only the questions will be seen. Which tool is used to generate charts? NumPy, Pandas, or Matplotlib to generate charts. Well done. 12 of you have given the right answer. I'm so happy. Let's see who's on the first place. Let's see. Ajita ma'am, Saranya ma'am, Prabhu sir. Aditya ma'am is the fastest and she's in the first place. Second place, Saranya Kalyamurthy. Third is Dhanna Sri Devi. Let's move to the second question of the day and let's see who's the winner. Same thing, ma'am. Menti.com and give 43222748. Devi Kannagia, ma'am. Yes, Chitra Devi, ma'am. Join soon. Okay, the second question for the day. Which function is used to find the number of columns and rows in Pandas? Shape, size, or type? It's shape. Size gives you columns into rows. Number of rows into columns, it is shape. Okay. Size gives you multiplication of rows and columns. You remember df dot size, df dot shape. Yes, Ajita ma'am, Hannah ma'am, Saranya ma'am. The right answer. On the top question it is Saranya ma'am and second is Ajita ma'am and third is Papari ma'am. Alright. Let's move to the third question. Let's move on to the third question of the day. Before which, let's see who's the winner. Yeah, third question of the day. It's just 5 simple multiple choice questions. What is the data type of the data once they are loaded into Pandas? I know it's a very, very simple question. What is the data type of the data once they are loaded on Pandas? 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. And the right answer is data frame. Most of you have given. I don't know, 82 of you are here, but only 23 are participating. That's what I thought we'll have a Google quiz. Right on the first position. Who's there? Let's see. Who's the fastest? Most of them have given the right answer. Fastest is Anita ma'am. On the first place is Ajita ma'am. And second place, Saranya ma'am. On the third place, Papari ma'am. Congratulations. Okay, you can see on the screen, same thing, menti.com and use the code, right? We move on to the fourth question of the day. Yes. Fourth question, prediction model. When you want to develop a prediction model, okay, what we have seen is what you should be a data analyst or a data scientist to develop a model or none of the above. Generally, the prediction models are developed by data analysts or data scientists or none of the above. Yeah, your answer is right. Again, come in, ma'am. CSEA, ML, I don't know. Some ma'am's name. We are not able to answer. Again, lost connection. But still, we are connected, like 23 people are giving the answer. Come back with menti.com and use the code 43222748. And this who's out of the first position. It is Papri ma'am, and she's the fastest. Second is Anna ma'am, and third is Ajita ma'am. All right, let's move on to the final question. which is going to decide the winner. Okay, after which we'll give time for winner to share their view. You can unmute your mics and speak your winning experience or about the 3-day FTTP. Which Python package provides machine learning algorithms? Remember on day 2, I told you about different packages, and each package is what it is useful for. Is it NumPy, Pandas, or Scikit? To develop your machine learning algorithms. The right answer is Scikit. Pandas is used for data analysis. I told, right? Python for data analysis, but for machine learning algorithm, it is Scikit. All ready to find who's the winner? Let's see. And the winner is Hannah Ma'am. Congratulations. Second place is Prabhu sir, and third place is Saranya Kalyamurthy. Congratulations to the winners. And all those who participated, 22 of you participated out of 81 being gathered together. And you can share in your feedback that I'm sharing it about 3 days FTP on data science. Overall good and informative. Excellent. It was good, ma'am. Thank you. I don't know who's going to give the answer because I want to make it anonymous. It was good, informative, and encouraging, interesting and informative, great learning, very interactive, informative sessions. Thank you. Highly informative, wonderful sessions. Thank you, dear participants. Good, recommended, informative, and nice and useful session. Superb session. Sessions were good and understandable. Thank you for that. Awesome learning, excellent lecturing, interesting sessions, ma'am. Thank you. Very interactive and informative. Useful and informative. We learned a lot and thank you for making it an interactive session. Informative, interesting sessions. Thank you all for the good feedback. You learned many things. Thank you so much for it. All right. So thank you all. I've shared my contact details and everything on the chat. All right. Thank you for attending this session. Over to the audience. And now you have to make your cameras ready with proper lighting. Because we are going to take up a group photo.
Ma'am, thank you so much for your wonderful session, ma'am.
Welcome. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome. Keep your cameras on, please. Nice to see Nuchan Kumari, ma'am. Nice to see Sudha, ma'am, Ajita, ma'am, Chitra Devi, ma'am, France. Sandhya, ma'am. Please, everybody, switch on your cameras, please. These are memories to be noted. Satya Rajesh, ma'am, your camera is off. Can you switch on your cameras, please? They will say 3, 2, 1, 1 before they take a picture. Yeah, the camera is not seen. Yeah, keep your cameras to level of your eyes. Thank you, Christian. Second, a little more down. Base will be clearly seen. I can see Indra ma'am, Elil ma'am. Please switch on your cameras, please. No, I think they will see 3, 2, 1. You say 3, 2, 1. Keep the picture. Three, two, one. Smile. Okay, hope you captured the pictures. Beautiful smiles. When I capture, I will start on now.
Thank you all. You have the feedback form in the chat.
Screenshot that I just took it as a screenshot. If needed, you can have it. Thank you all. Can I leave?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all. God bless.